Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor 2025, how to mirror a part. So as example, we'll create simple parts. Okay, you can use the line tools, create in it. Now you can use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. And if you want to mirror this part, you can click mirror tools, click in the patterns, mirror, and then you can select the feature. Now you can select for the mirror planes, we can use this face. And if you click OK, it will be automatically combined. For the other option, you also can mirror by using the new plane. So I will select at this face and we create offset from plane. Okay, I will move into this point. Click OK. Click mirror command again. And then you can click the feature. For mirror plane, you can select this plane. Click OK. And it will be mirror the object. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to mirror a part. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.